So we click on the key influencers visual, make it a bit bigger. And what we want to analyze is lead student. And explain it by the other fields. They've all now been added there. So this is sorted in descending order. So the first one here is that if the student had failures in the past, then that would contribute to it not being an elite student. So an elite student being no. So every time the failure goes up 0.79, there's a 2.68 times the likelihood of an elite student being no. And then the absences, and you see the diagram comes up here on to explain that. You click on the next one here, absence goes up 8.4, so this is the diagram over here. So it's an upward trend line. So what it says here, if the days of absence goes up 8.4, then it's a 2.15 times the likelihood that an elite student being no, so not being an elite student. And then this last one here I'm just going to look at here today is the higher is no. So that's, was there a student's intention to go on to third level? And what this says is that, you know, the motivation side of things, that if the intention was no, not to go on to, then there's a 1.24 more likelihood for it, that student not to get a good result, to be less than 15. We can also look at the segments here. There's no segment on this one, but if we change to what's been an elite student, there are a number of segments. So there's 5 here. So look at this one here, count to 39, and it shows the factors. So this is to do with alcohol intake, so it's not much. Absences, not too many days absent, and no real failures in the past. And we can see for the lead student also the key influencers. So this is that they're not getting extra help. So they don't need help, these elite students, the ones that are elite students. And the mother's education is not too much education. And internet, I find that interesting that the elite student has the internet. So presumably doing a lot of schoolwork on the internet. So that's your key influencers visual.